Have you heard of the word Latinx? It was supposed to be the new word used to describe people from Latin America or Spanish-speaking countries. But don't we already use Latino or Latina or Hispanic or Latin? Well, the term Latinx was first used online around 2004. It has become the go-to term in social media by activists, students, and academics who seek to advocate for non-binary and genderqueer individuals. Its proponents argue that the term is inclusive of all genders and that it should replace the current terms such as Latino or Latina. Many of those who are against the term simply argue the term Latinx breaks the rules of the Spanish language, and they also argue that it is merely a tool used by radical LGBTQ groups who seek to impose their will and their thinking on the majority for political reasons. Some even argue that if the term is truly inclusive, it should give equitable weight to different experiences and knowledge, and it shouldn't be used as a blanket identity for everyone. They say using the term Latinx for women further hides their contributions and identity. Think about it. What sounds more empowering, Latinx woman or Latina? So, how has the Spanish-speaking community reacted to it? Well, the term has failed to gain any traction, despite its push by some radical LGBTQ groups. In general, the Spanish-speaking community has rejected the term. A 2021 poll by Democratic Hispanic outreach firm Bendixson and Amandi International found that only 2% of those polled refer to themselves as Latinx, while 68% call themselves Hispanic and 21% favor Latino or Latina to describe their ethnic background. In addition, 40% of those polled viewed the term Latinx as offensive, and 30% went as far as to say that they would be less likely to support a politician or organization that uses the term. Some Spanish-speaking countries, such as Spain and Argentina, released public statements banning the use of Latinx or any other gender-neutral variant on the grounds that these terms are violations of the rules of the Spanish language. However, despite the rejection of the term by the overwhelming Spanish-speaking community, a small group has felt compelled to continue to sneak in the word in academic institutions without regard for the opinions of the larger community. The word Latinx, which supposedly initially sought to be inclusive, has now been used as a tool by a minority to impose their will on others. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Please hit the like button, help us to spread this video by sharing, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos.